What's up everyone? Hello YouTube! I have my cap now. I bought this yesterday.
Yeah, I'm looking at the bank, say miss, I do not want to judge. Yeah, nuts with my gang. You be just a stain. Cover on my
So today, we'll be reacting to another Fourth Impact song, and anyways, I'm wearing shirt because we did some errands in the office, so I need to wear shirt. So today I have a neck. We'll be reacting to another Fourth Impact song, and this time they guested to a concert of the recent Pinoy Big Brother winner, Maymay Entrata. So they had a showdown, and I want to see what's the performance, what happened to the performance of Maymay with Fourth Impact. Everyone knows Big Brother, right? If you have Big Brother in your country, we also have here Big Brother in our country, and it's called Pinoy Big Brother. Yeah, Pinoy means Filipino, and Big Brother means Big Brother. So without any further ado, let's go and watch the video. Start. They're speaking in Tagalog.
Bigyan niyo po ako ng espiritu ng impact. Huwag na impact, parang wala impact to. Impact. Ayan na po, kami mo pala ang Fifth Impact! I am one of the dream, I am top of the league, I am gonna do what I wanna do. Born top of the century. I am strong, no you can't come away.
was good. My was the fifth sister of Void Impact. Anyways, the song was upbeat. They had captured all the audience, and the audience got gone crazy. And yeah, my is full of humor, and she's so funny. After Big Brother, I think she had a lot of projects, and she was so happy that Void Impact guested on her concert. Yeah, very good collaboration. Anyways guys, if you have any more videos of Void Impact you want me to react, please drop the link below. And if you're not yet part of the family, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to be notified every time I upload new videos. So that's it for now everyone. Thank you so much for clicking again.